Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Today we are at Brave Waves Swim School in Paris, cleaning about 3,500 square feet of tile. So we're doing all around the pool and the change rooms, the washrooms, all through the staff area. And I just wanted to take you guys in and show you what we were doing. So we cleaned all of the tile, as well as a lunchroom down at the end. Into the showers. And right through to the change rooms. We got the change rooms on the left and the washrooms on the right. So if you are looking for any commercial tile and grout cleaning, we service Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, Guelph, and surrounding areas. Give us a call at 519-208-8533 or visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.